So, this is our combined 7th and 8th grade band plus our high school and more seasoned friends that are joining us. I know I'll forget, so I'm going to go ahead and say thank you to Mrs. Amy Sandlin for coming and playing saxophone with us tonight and helping out. And of course, the high school musicians from Laney that are filling in on different instruments. Sometimes we just don't have enough personnel to cover certain parts, so it is really appreciated that Mr. Pearson brought those students out for our concert tonight. So now, the combined 7th and 8th grade band will play a piece called The Pit and the Pendulum by Michael Story. It is based on the story by Edgar Allan Poe, which was written in 1842, and if you're not able to see it, and I hope you're able to scan the QR code and see it on your device, it tells the story of a prisoner that was sentenced to death by the Spanish Inquisition for a crime that is not explained, and he finds himself in a darkened cell. He is tied by ropes to a wooden board, and then he sees, attached to the ceiling, this huge swinging pendulum with a sharp blade that is getting lower and lower towards him. So, not sure where he got the food, but the prisoner rubs food on the ropes and gets rats to chew through the ropes and set him free. But then there is this pit, hence the pit, that he is being pushed towards by these red hot walls. I know, it is terrifying. And he just keeps getting closer and closer to the pit, and at the last moment, a hand reaches out and saves him from certain death. So I hope you enjoy The Pit and the Pendulum.